Timmy hated brushing his teeth. To him, it was the most boring part of the day. "Come on, Timmy," his mom called, holding out the toothbrush like a magical wand. But Timmy was too quick. He ducked under the blanket, pretending to snore. "Teeth are fine without brushing," he mumbled, dodging her attempts to pull him out. As he drifted off to sleep that night, a grin spread across his face. He had escaped brushing again, and to him, that was a small victory. Timmy's dreams took a strange turn. He found himself floating inside a dark, damp cave. The walls were shiny and white, and tiny, giggling creatures were everywhere. "Whee!" shouted one monster, sliding down a molar like a playground slide. Another swung from a cavity, yelling, "This is paradise!" Timmy stared in horror. What are you doing to my teeth?" he stammered. "Thanks to you, we've built the best playground ever," a purple monster said, smirking. "No toothbrush in sight." Timmy jolted awake, clutching his jaw. A sharp pain throbbed in his mouth. "Ow, what's going on?" he whispered. The ache lingered throughout the day, but Timmy didn't say a word. Instead, he gobbled down his favorite sugary snacks, trying to ignore the whispers of the monsters in his mind. "More candy, less brushing." Finally, the pain became unbearable. Timmy's mom took him to see Dr. Sparkle, a cheerful dentist with a sparkle in her eye. "Timmy, your teeth are under attack," she said, pointing to an X-ray. "Cavities are tiny holes made by bad bacteria. If we don't stop them, you'll lose this tooth." Timmy's eyes widened. "Lose my tooth? Like, forever?" Dr. Sparkle nodded. "But you can fight back. You need to brush and floss every day to get rid of the monsters causing this damage." Determined to save his teeth, Timmy grabbed his toothbrush that night. "This ends now," he declared, imagining the monsters cowering in fear. As he brushed, he pictured himself as a warrior, scrubbing away the invaders. He even added extra toothpaste for good measure, shouting, "Take that, you cavity creeps!" For the first time, brushing didn't feel boring. It felt like a mission. Weeks later, Timmy stood in front of the mirror, inspecting his teeth. They gleamed under the bathroom light, strong and healthy once again. "I did it," he whispered, grinning. No more monsters whispered in his dreams. Instead, he slept soundly, knowing his teeth were safe. At breakfast, he proudly announced, "I'll never skip brushing again. No monster will feast on my teeth."